on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing the new Nike Air Max 1 Patta Maroon Rush. Let's get to it. First, we're gonna talk about this box that's really nice. It got your Nike on the box in a light blue. You got Patta in orange, and it says "Love for All," familiar. On the side, you got a little tree. It looked like a palm tree that says, open that up, Libby. I probably said that wrong if I did, sorry. Then we got this tag on the side that says Nike Air Max 1/P, which stands for Patta, size men 6 and women 6.5. And they retail for $170. These came out on October 24th on the Sneakers app. And I was lucky enough to be able to grab them. Actually, I wasn't lucky enough. My husband was lucky enough to hit on his account because my account never hit. So we got lucky with his account, and hey, we got them. We're gonna go with the show y'all this tissue paper. It has the fist for symbolizing unity, all as one, which is very nice touch on the tissue paper. So let's pull out these nice sneakers. These Air Max 1s. Man, I haven't had Air Max 1 in a while, and these right here, these are nice right here. Let's see that box inside. All right, here we go. Nike Air Max 1 collaboration with Patta. Nike collaboration with Patta. And this is the Maroon Rush colorway, which is a very nice colorway. It comes with your maroon leather toe box. You got your gray or silver toe on top of the toe. You got your light maroon shoelaces with a dark maroon leather, well, not leather, with a dark maroon suede behind the shoelaces. You got your maroon Nike check, your sail going around the whole shoe with your regular Nike Air Max 1 bubble that's on all the Air Maxes. Your bottom, it got a nice, I'm gonna say that's a dark maroon, but it could be a brown. It looks like a brownish color too, which is a nice touch for the bottom. We're gonna turn to the back. You got Nike Air. It's in like a golden, I would say like a rust color, which is nice touch to the shoe. You got your tongue that says Patta Air Max right there. Put that close so y'all can see it. It also comes with another little packet right here saying Nike Air Max. We'll open that in a second. Come with an extra set of laces that's dark maroon. So these are light maroon, and then it comes with a dark maroon pair, which is different. I think I'll stick with these light maroon though. Let's go to the inside. It got Patta on the inside of the shoe. On the inside, Patta, which you can see. Got that dark rust orange or burnt orange looking color on the inside of the shoe, which is a nice touch to the shoe. Let's see what's in this little black pouch that they came with. Oh, okay. So then we got a little, look like a little anklet. That's a nice touch to this collaboration. Something different. I like when people collab, they have different little things to, make theirs stand out more. So this is a nice little anklet that it comes with. I ain't gonna say I know which flag this is, so I'm not even gonna say it because I don't want to mess it up. So if you know, hey, let me know down in the comments what that flag stands for. I know that this collab is with some company in Amsterdam, so I'm assuming that's what this symbolizes too. You got your little silver Nike check right there, and then the other little piece on it says Patta in blue, which is nice. It's a nice little ankle bracelet. I might wear this when I wear the shoes. That's different, nice. But let's go to the left shoe. Looks the same way. You got your dark maroon on the bottom, dark maroon brownish looking color. You got your light maroon shoestrings, your gray on the toe box, and then you got your dark maroon coming around the whole toe guard of the shoe. You got your silver Nike check right there. You got your maroon Nike check right here, and I forgot to say that it also has like a mirror looking Nike check behind that one, so that's a nice touch right there. then you got your same Rush orange, brown, Nike Air in the back, and Patta Nike Air on the tongue. Y'all can see that. And then the inside, same way with the Patta on the inside with the dark orange Rush. Yeah, this is a nice colorway. This is the third installment, and I'm saying installment, third pair in this series so far. It was the first pair was the Monarchs, which I wasn't able to hit on those, of course, because I really wanted those. Then you had the blue Aqua Noise, wasn't able to hit on those either. Like those also. So here we have the third one in the collaboration in the Maroon Rush, which is the one I hit on. So hey, can't complain. At least I got 1 out of the 3. I'm still gonna try to go for those other 2 just to complete the set. I think it's another one that's about to come out also. That's a black and white pair that looks very nice. So I'm definitely gonna try to go for those, and hopefully I can hit on those. But either way, I'm gonna try to get all 4 of these shoes so I can complete this whole series, this whole set, because this is a nice collaboration. And these are some nice pickups. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this colorway, Maroon Rush colorway of Air Max 1 Nike Patta collaboration. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about this collaboration. Did you go for any of them? Did you like this colorway? A lot of people didn't like this colorway. They said this was the worst out of the 3. This colorway right here was, but to me, I like this colorway. I guess because this one is actually leather. The other 2 was suede. So this is a fully leather one right here. And I like all 3 of them. So I can't say that I don't like none of them, because I want all of them. So I like all 3 of them. But y'all let me know down below, did you like this one, or did you go for the other 2, the Monarchs or the Aqua Noise? Let me know down in those comments. But that's all I got for y'all today. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did you like or subscribe? I mean, I'm all on. Please like and subscribe. Continue to join your girl on this sneaker reviews. And you know, hey, until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.